So I've been wanting to try a USB microphone for a while, and I've heard some pretty good things about this Kmart Professional Microphone. It's actually only $39, and for the package what you get is pretty impressive actually. So let's open the box and give this thing a go. On this channel you'll find videos on gadgets or tech that will help life at home go smoother, quicker or more fun in some way. If you like these kinds of videos, drop a like and please subscribe. So it comes with the adjustable movable arm, the microphone itself, a USB cable, desk clamp, pop filter, foam cover, user manual and a shock mount to keep it stable if it moves. We'll just see how quick and easy it is to install, and shortly I'll test it. And the box actually says it works for Windows 7, 8, 10 and above, but doesn't mention Mac, so we'll see. Basically you just need to check that it's in the sound input settings. So I actually like how it can be moved around. It's quite stable and it goes up and down and it stays pretty much in position to where you place it. The actual pop filter feels a bit stiff, but I think that's probably in the end a good thing. And the USB cable just sort of dangles there, and it would be nice if there was some built-in cable management within the arm. This is audio with the microphone, no pop filter, but with the foam cover. This is audio with the foam cover and the pop filter and the microphone. This is what it sounds like with just the microphone and the foam cover. This is what it sounds like with the microphone, the foam cover and the pop filter. This is what it sounds like with the microphone and no pop filter and no foam cover. This is what it sounds like with the microphone, no foam cover, but with the pop filter. Personally, I think I like it best with the microphone by itself, no pop filter and no foam cover. I'm sitting around about a hand span from the microphone, and this is what it sounds like with me right up to the microphone, basically touching it. What do you guys think of the audio? I don't have any experience with more expensive microphones, but I would imagine at $39 this would be hard to beat on price. I'm sure more expensive microphones that run into the hundreds would probably sound better or have better arms or other features, but I'm not sure if they'd be 4 times or 5 times better. This one has pretty good quality, can be used in various situations and was pretty easy to set up. I'll probably try at least one more microphone to compare properly, but again at this price it's hard to go wrong. I definitely recommend it as a good starter mic, and it feels more capable than the cheaper ones available at Kmart or other retailers. I'll give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions or anything you'd like to know, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks, bye.